Hey everyone, welcome back to another Tailwind CSS tutorial. Today, we are learning about borders and rounded corners, one of the simplest but most powerful ways to add style, structure and smoothness to your design. We will look at border widths, colors and all the round corners options line by line. This is our container card just like before, BG white background, P6 padding of 1.5 rem inside the box. So let's run our code npm run dev to see our code on the browser. So this is it. We've not written anything. Then let's split our screen so we'll see everything side by side. So this heading uses the text 4XL for a big text, font bold for a bold text, text center to center the text, the text blue 600 to change the color of the text, MB10 for a margin bottom of 10. So next thing we'll be doing, we'll be looking at some border width examples. So our container is going to be having the P6 for the padding of 6, BG white for the background color, shadow MD for a shadow, a rounded LG to round our container, and the margin bottom of 8. So then this header is going to be taking the text 2XL for a big text, the font semi-bold for a semi-bold text, the MB4 for the margin bottom, the text gray of 800 for a dark color of our text. Now let's go into the borders. A border adds a 1 pixel solid border around the box by default. Border gray 400 defines the color, a light gray. P4 adds spacing inside the box, and MB2 gives space below. Rounded applies a small default border radius for a gentle curve. Border 2 means 2 pixel wide border. You can literally control thickness by changing the number. Border gray 500 darkens the border color. This one sticker, border 4 equals 4 pixel. Notice how it looks bolder and stands out more. Border 8 is very thick. 8 pixel border. Tailwind support up to border 8 by default, but you can customize beyond that in your config file if you want. So basically, border is what 1 pixel, border 2 is 2 pixel, border 4 is 4 pixel, border 8 is 8 pixel. Easy and clear. This section is all about color, same container structure. Here, border 4 means a thick 4 pixel border, and border red 500 gives it a bright red tone. The number 500 means medium brightness in Tailwind color scale. You can see just by swapping border blue 500 or border yellow 400, we instantly change the theme. The second number 400, 500, 600 etc. adjustment adjust the brightness. Lower numbers are lighter shades, higher are darker. Now let's talk about border radius. That's what makes corners curved. Tailwind have a whole scale of rounded utilities. Rounded none removes all curvature. Corner stays sharp and square. Rounded SM adds a very small radius, nice for suitable edges on cards or tables. Rounded MD adds a medium curve, more visible but still clean. Rounded LG is a large smooth curve. This is the one you see most often in modern UI cards or buttons. Rounded XL exaggerates the curve more, good for modal or large boxes. And finally, rounded full gives fully circular corners, perfect for profile image, icons or pills. If the box is square, it becomes a perfect cycle. So rounded none equals 0 radius, rounded SM, rounded LG increasing curvature, rounded full cycle. Now let's control which corners are rounded. Tailwind gives you full power. You can round only the top, bottom, left, or even the right. So the structure are still going to remain the same. Rounded TLG means top left and top right corners have a large curve while the bottom remains square. Rounded BLG rounds only the bottom corners, and rounded LLG applies to left corners, top left and bottom left. And rounded RLG does it for the right corners. This is super useful for UI components like button, modals, or slide panels where only one side needs rounding. Summarize: border to border 4 equals the thickness. Border color is the color. Rounded and its variations shows how curved the corner should be. Rounded T, rounded B, rounded L, rounded R controls specific sides. Combine them for any look you want. If this video was helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more.